How to remove ballistics gel from mold in 30 seconds. Okay, first break the seal around the edge. I like to wear gloves to minimize fingerprints, but they'll still get on there. And then kind of flip it up, grab an air compressor, and stick it in there. And there she comes out. Okay guys, make that 45 seconds. There we go. And she's out. And there you go. A free gel. Okay, if you have any other ballistics gel pro tips, put it in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching.